Most people think flying economy means missing out on perks, but that's just not true. Airlines have tons of free stuff they don't advertise. You just need to know how to ask. From extra snacks to secret drinks, today we're revealing 15 free perks you can get on your next flight. Stick around until the end for a clever hack that might score you an extra meal. 1. Free drinks. Most airlines will give you the whole can of soda or a full bottle of water if you just ask. If you need a refill, don't hesitate to press the call button or visit the galley. On international flights, many airlines offer free beer or wine. But what they don't advertise is that you can often request extra. Some airlines also have off-menu drinks like sparkling water, different juice options, and even simple mixed drinks. If you want something warm, ask for hot lemon water, a great way to stay hydrated. Being polite to the flight attendants increases your chances of getting those little extras. 2. Hot drinks. Most passengers settle for standard coffee or tea, but airlines usually carry more than they let on. Some flights offer hot chocolate or even decaf coffee if you ask. If you bring your own tea bags, you can request hot water to make your own custom tea. Tomato juice, oddly enough, tastes better in the air due to the lower air pressure affecting taste perception. You can also mix drinks. Ask for half coffee, half hot chocolate for an instant mocha. If you prefer a soothing option, request warm lemon water or honey to help with dehydration and throat irritation. 3. Extra snacks. One packet of pretzels or cookies never seems enough. But did you know you can often get more? When flight attendants ask what you want, respond with enthusiasm. "I love both, please." More often than not, they'll hand you an extra. If you wait until the first round of service is over, you can ask politely if they have extras. Many airlines carry an extra stash of snacks, especially on long-haul flights. If you have dietary restrictions, ask early. They might have options like fruit or protein bars. Friendly passengers sometimes get lucky with multiple snack packs. 4. The secret extra meal trick. Long-haul international flights serve meals, but did you know you can sometimes score a second one? The trick is timing. After everyone has been served, politely ask a flight attendant if there are any extra meals. If they have leftovers, they'll often give them away instead of throwing them out. Another trick is pre-ordering a special meal. Vegan, vegetarian, kosher, or halal meals are usually served first and can sometimes be fresher. If you order wisely, you might avoid less appealing standard meal options and get a better dish. Plus, you dodge the post-meal rush to the lavatory. 5. Free in-flight entertainment. Many airlines offer free movies and TV shows, but have you ever explored the hidden features? Screens include guided meditation apps, stretching exercises, and real-time flight tracking maps. If your airline charges for entertainment, check their app before boarding. Some allow you to stream content on your own device for free. Forgot your headphones? Some airlines still provide them on request. If you have a long layover, see if the airline has a partnership with airport lounges offering free access to additional entertainment. Some flights even have trivia games where you can play against other passengers. 6. Expedited deplaning. Get off the plane. First, if you have a tight connection, every second counts. Instead of panicking, let a flight attendant know early in the flight. If they can, they might move you closer to the front of the cabin. In some cases, they even allow passengers with close connections to deplane first. If you're lucky and the economy is oversold, you might even get a premium economy seat for free. Pro tip: if you're in a rush, avoid overhead bin congestion by placing your carry-on under the seat in front of you, making it easier to grab and go. 7. Free messaging and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is usually expensive, but some airlines provide free messaging services. Airlines like Southwest, Delta, and Alaska Airlines offer complimentary access to iMessage, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. JetBlue takes it a step further by offering completely free Wi-Fi on all flights, allowing you to browse, stream, and stay connected without paying a dime. Some international airlines also provide limited free Wi-Fi for messaging. Before your flight, check the airline's policy online. You might be surprised at how many offer free connectivity options. Even if full browsing isn't free, staying in touch with family and friends often is. 8. Free baby perks. Traveling with little ones? You might be in for a treat. Many airlines allow babies under 2 to fly for free as lap infants on domestic flights, saving parents hundreds of dollars. International flights usually require a small fee, typically around 10% of an adult fare, but that's not all. Many airlines provide free perks like bassinets, baby food, and even priority boarding to help parents get settled. United Airlines and Delta offer free entertainment kits with coloring books, crayons, and puzzles to keep kids entertained. Don't forget to call ahead and request these services to make your journey smoother. 9. Free seat selection. Hate paying extra just to sit next to your travel buddy? Here's a trick. Most airlines release unbooked seats for free when online check-in opens, usually 24 hours before departure. Set a reminder and check in the moment it becomes available. You'll have access to premium economy seats without spending a dime. If you miss that window, try checking again closer to departure. Gate agents sometimes have unassigned seats they can offer at no charge. For even better results, be polite and ask at the check-in counter if any preferred seats are available. It never hurts to try. 10. Free blankets and pillows. Airplane cabins can feel like an icebox. But did you know most flights carry extra blankets and pillows? Airlines typically stock enough for all passengers, plus extras in case of emergencies. Budget carriers may charge for these. Full-service airlines like Delta, American, and Emirates often provide them for free. Simply ask a flight attendant politely, and they'll usually be happy to help. Pro tip: on long-haul flights, premium cabin passengers often receive better blankets. If any are left unclaimed, flight attendants sometimes offer them to economy passengers. Just remember to return them at the end of the flight. 11. Free medicine and first aid supplies. Feeling unwell mid-flight? Don't suffer in silence. Flight attendants are equipped with basic first aid supplies, including pain relievers, motion sickness pills, and bandages. Most airlines carry over-the-counter medications like ibuprofen, antihistamines, and even electrolyte packets to help with dehydration. If you experience nausea, let the crew know. They may have ginger ale or crackers to help settle your stomach. Flight attendants are trained in first aid, so if you have a minor injury or headache, they can provide assistance. Just keep in mind that these supplies are for in-flight use only, so don't expect to take extra home. 12. Free sanitizing wipes. Let's be honest, airplane tray tables, seatbelts, and armrests aren't the cleanest. While airlines claim to clean between flights, studies show that germs linger. Forgot your sanitizing wipes? No problem. Many flight attendants carry extra antibacterial wipes and will gladly hand them out if you ask. Some airlines, like Delta and Singapore Airlines, even provide them proactively on long-haul flights. Keeping your hands and surfaces clean is key to staying healthy while traveling. Bonus tip: if you're flying during flu season, ask for an extra wipe to clean your seat's air vent, one of the most overlooked germ hotspots. 13. Free headphones on some flights. Forgot your headphones? You might still be in luck. While many airlines have stopped offering free earbuds on short domestic flights, they often still provide them on long-haul routes, especially for international travel. Airlines like Emirates, Singapore Airlines, and Japan Airlines offer decent quality noise-reducing headphones in economy class. If your airline doesn't automatically hand them out, just ask. You may be surprised by what's available. Pro tip: if you frequently fly with a certain airline, check their policy online beforehand. And while airline headphones aren't the best, they're still better than nothing when watching in-flight movies. 14. Free lounge access with a trick. Airport lounges aren't just for business travelers. If your flight is delayed for several hours or you're stuck overnight due to cancellations, some airlines will grant free lounge access. Politely ask a gate agent if they offer accommodations for delayed passengers. Many major airlines do, but they don't advertise it. If that doesn't work, check if your credit card includes lounge perks, or use services like Lounge Buddy to find affordable day passes. Some travelers even score access by joining airline loyalty programs for free trials. A little persistence can land you free food, comfy seats, and fast Wi-Fi. 15. Free flight upgrades. Rare, but possible. Scoring a free upgrade to premium economy or business class is rare, but it does happen. Oversold flights often result in upgrades for passengers with frequent flyer status. But even casual travelers can increase their chances. Dressing well, arriving early, and politely asking at check-in can sometimes land you a better seat. If you're celebrating a special occasion, like a honeymoon, mention it discreetly to the gate agent. If there are empty premium seats, you might just get lucky. Another pro tip: if an airline needs volunteers to give up their seats, they often compensate with travel vouchers and an upgrade. So there you have it. 15 airline freebies that most people don't know about. Every airline is different, but remember, you'll never get something for free if you don't ask. Be polite, be proactive, and don't be afraid to channel your inner bargain hunter. You might be surprised at what you can score without spending an extra dime. And if you really want to up your travel game, check out my next video where I'll be sharing my ultimate flight comfort hacks to make economy class feel like first class. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until next time, happy travels.